Because put one right there in the bottom.
Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome to another video. We're over here at the Top Shop. You already know. We're gonna go, I might swing it. What do you want to do?
I don't know.
That's a bait.
Probably swing it.
He has to fix the power steering. I got Hunter here. We got a 2012 Mustang right here. Oh, we got the 5.0. Fucking sick ass food right here. Alright. And they're trying to take the trans out right now. They got all the bolts around the bell housing except a few on the top. And then just get the shifter out right there. And it's gonna come out. I kind of just came up halfway through. Oh, look, it has a little X pipe, huh? Little crossover pipe. Probably why it makes that sound, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's one tire DIDNT drive.
And then there's the DIDNT. We're gonna do some tires. We're gonna put this back together. Yeah, I'm gonna do a bolt check on my car though. It's a piece of junk. Alrighty. And now they got the trans out. There you go. Yes, sir. Finally. So what was giving you the trouble? The cats.
So they're going bye-bye.
Remember to delete the cats.
Yeah, just take them off. Always take cats out. Makes everything easier.
We need to fab up some cat delete.
Alright, so this is the very first few drives. 240. Stark. You're going 120 right now.
Hell yeah.
120.
Still trying to wear in the brakes.
Yeah, what is that? Is this rusty brakes?
Yeah.
The speed sensor's all whacked out? Or
I guess.
Or is it the odometer?
I don't know. Yeah, I haven't even drove it this far yet.
That's good. It locked up a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
It got locked up and then it opened up.
Yeah.
Oh shit. There you go. Nice. Burnt rubber.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it runs good.
You got decent power too.
Yeah, it's not bad. For a 4-cylinder single cam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we're back over at the Bill's Chop Shop. These guys are still trying to put this in.
It ain't going in ever.
I told you guys.
Okay, guys, put one right there in the bottom.
Lift it up on the left side.
You didn't even get this bottom one in.
Dead ass.
Alright, these guys finally getting some of the trans in right here.
Oh, we didn't grease the input shaft.
That's alright, it's going in.
Back it up more.
Fuck it. Just insert. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
That's a one-person job, dude.
Spin the output shaft.
Yeah, spin the shaft.
Spin it, just hard. Yeah. Let's grease it. Pull it way down.
Fuck yeah.
Shit.
Big body
We're
trans.
gonna have to use the other
Yeah,
one.
big body Mustang
Fuck,
getting
really
putting the trans in. Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to... We have to go backwards. That's what it is. Get it. Got it. Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to take off the tire.
Yeah.
But we didn't put it backwards. That's the thing. We didn't put it backwards, so we kind of fucked up. I forgot you had to put it backwards. What the fuck? You got brand new ones?
They're in my toolbox.
Oh, okay.
And these ones aren't bent.
Yeah, these ones are hella bent. Yeah, you see how it just pulls it off right there.
Go.
Yeah.
So that way they're in the middle of the shot.
Fuck yeah. Hey, you gotta fucking manhandle it sometimes.
Damn, Zach.
I didn't even lube it up, huh?
Right there.
All lube. That was the other side I tried more. That's a good ass tire. If it's not good. Usually it would fucking rip on the bead.
Especially with these tight ass tires. That's why I hate rippers. Amazing too.
I was on it the whole time watching.
That's very easy.
That's so I can keep that shit this one.
Favorite method of setting the bead.
Yeah. Oh,
So
fuck.
getting the
Shit, where's that? I have one in my hand too.
Where's that one?
so getting the drive shaft in right now.
Oh, here. Here's
And
those. Or
then
here's
finish
those
putting
for
the-
the front.
7 hours later.
It shouldn't have took this long.
Told you it was gonna.
Perfect.